Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Rice Krispie treats. Very simple to make, only takes 3 ingredients and only a few minutes. So if you want a sweet treat and you don't have time to bake, this really shouldn't take you much time. So today I'm using Rice Krispies. You can really use any cereal you have in your cupboard, depending. Fruit Loops, you could make Fruit Loop squares, you could make anything really with any kind of cereal. Today I have Rice Krispie cereal, half a stick of butter, and a bag of marshmallows. I pre-measured everything. This is just 1 bag of marshmallows, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 6 cups of your cereal of choice, but I chose Rice Krispies again. So the first thing you do is you're gonna melt your butter, get that started, and then you're gonna add your marshmallows. So I will get that started. So in my pot, I'm already melting the butter. Half a stick, again, it's 4 tablespoons. So you let that melt totally before you add your marshmallows so the marshmallows don't stick to the pan. Set your temp to like a medium heat, not too high so you don't burn your butter or burn your marshmallows when you add them. Once the butter is melted, you can add in your marshmallows. I pour them all in, and you continue to stir. Get all the marshmallows coated with butter so they don't stick to the pan too much. And you keep stirring until they're fully melted down. See, they're starting to melt. Just gotta keep it going, keep stirring. Such a simple dessert to make, especially on the hot days that you don't want to turn your oven on. It's very easy to make. Kids love them. Or mine do anyway. Today I'm just showing you basic Rice Krispie treats. My family likes when I add peanut butter to it. You can totally do that to yours if you like peanut butter. All you would do is once this is melted down, you would add your peanut butter, whatever amount you want really, just to give it that taste, into your marshmallows, your hot marshmallow, and then you would mix it into your cereal. I'm using a rubber spatula because once they're coated with butter, it doesn't stick. The marshmallows don't stick to the spatula. Just keep stirring till they're all melted down. We're getting there. A few more minutes and we should be all set. When I get down to this, I usually try to like mash up the little lumps of marshmallow that are in there. It kind of speeds it up. Every stove is different, so if you notice your stove is on too high, go ahead and turn it down. Whatever works for you. Almost there. You see the consistency? This is what you want. You want it to be like a sauce. You can turn the heat off. Now that my marshmallow butter mixture is done, I'm going to add it into the cereal. Scrape it all in. Cooked marshmallow smells so good. Okay, and you just start mixing it into the cereal gently so you don't throw cereal everywhere. Cereal's going to start taking form. Oops. And then I say gently and I throw it everywhere. You can hear it snap, crackling, and popping. Okay, and once you get to the point of it all being combined, like so, you're going to take cooking spray. You're going to spray a large cake pan, and you're going to pour it right in. Get it all out of the bowl. It's very sticky in the bowl, for sure. Usually my kids are when I'm making this, so they eat what's left in the bowl. Today that's not the case. I sent them outside while I made this video. It can get rather noisy in here. And usually I'll take a little spray on my spatula. You start pressing it in. Spraying the spatula just helps so the marshmallow and Rice Krispies don't stick. Just go around, pat it out, make sure it's even. How has everybody been doing? Right now states are starting to open back up due to the pandemic when we did the whole shutdown, lockdown thing. I'm grateful that the weather has changed because where I'm from, it's winter up until middle of May. The weather's changed, it's beautiful out, sunny, 75. Okay, once you have pressed it out, you let it cool, and then it's ready to serve. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like the video, leave your comments below. Very simple. I wanted to start my channel with something very simple for people to be able to do. Anybody could really do this. If you like this, please do subscribe, so every week I will add a new recipe to my channel. Thanks guys, have a good day.